Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheesecake filled banana cake roll. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, for the cheesecake filling, you're going to need one 8-ounce package and one 3-ounce package of cream cheese, and you want that softened to room temperature. Then you need a half a cup of sugar, one egg, 3 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that's all for your cheesecake filling. Then for your banana cake, we're going to need a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 4 egg yolks, which I don't have my eggs separated yet, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup plus 1/2 cup of sugar, and you want that divided, so I have them in 2 separate measuring cups right here. Then you need a half cup of mashed banana, which is about 1 large banana, and I just took mine and put it in a bowl and mashed it with a spoon. And then you're going to need 4 egg whites, so we will be using all of the egg. And then a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar for sprinkling over the cake if you want to do that. That's up to you. Then you're also going to need some kind of like jelly cake roll. I have this big pan right here. Mine is a 16 by 12, I believe. It says you just need a 15 by 10 by 1. So, I mean, this will work. So I sprayed mine with cooking spray, covered it in parchment paper, and then I'm going to spray cooking spray over top of that. You want to make sure that everything can come off of your pan easily. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to preheat my oven to 375, and we're going to get started making the cheesecake filling. Okay, next we are going to just combine the cream cheese and the half cup of sugar with an electric mixer until it is smooth. All right, that looks pretty smooth to me. So next we're going to add in the egg, milk or cream, and vanilla and beat it until it is combined. All right, that looks pretty good to me. I just scraped down my sides, and next we are going to just spread this evenly into our prepared pan and just set it to the side. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So I'm just going to set that to the side. All right, in a small bowl, I just combined my flour, my baking powder, and my baking soda and just gave that a stir with a fork. And then I'm just going to set that to the side. Now I separated my egg whites from my egg yolks, and the yolks are added to the vanilla here. And we are going to beat these with an electric mixer on medium speed until they're thick and lemon colored. All right, I think this mixture is ready. So next I am going to start gradually adding in my 1/3 cup of sugar and just beat that well. All right, that is all added. So next I am going to change my mixer attachment, and I am just going to beat with my little whisk attachment here the egg whites in a nice clean bowl, and you want to beat that until soft peaks form. All right, that took about 6 minutes at medium speed. So next we are going to gradually add in our half cup of sugar and beat that on high until stiff peaks form. You want your tips to stand straight up. All right, that looks pretty good to me. My stiff peaks did not form, but my soft peaks did. So I don't know if maybe I got some yolks in there, but that's okay. I am going to go ahead and take my yolk mixture, and I am just going to gradually fold that in with a spatula to my egg white mixture. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So now I'm going to gradually sprinkle the flour mixture evenly over this egg mixture and just fold it in until it is just blended. You don't want to overmix it. All right, that looks pretty well combined to me. So now we are going to carefully spread this over the filling in the pan and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, my cake is ready to go into the oven. I'm going to check mine at 15 minutes since my pan is a little bigger. All right, my cake is out of the oven. I just let mine cook for 15 minutes because it looks done to me, and it's bouncing back quite nicely. So next we are going to go ahead and immediately sprinkle our powdered sugar all over this, that 1/4 cup. All right, all my powdered sugar is on there, and I kind of just took my fingers and kind of rubbed it in just a tiny little bit. So now we are going to cover this with a clean kitchen towel. It doesn't have to be a tea towel, but I'm using a tea towel. All right, so my tea towel is over top of my powdered sugar, and then I have my wire rack, and I've just put it upside down on top of the cake. Now I am going to carefully pick both sides of the pan up and the rack and flip it over, and I'm probably going to use some kind of kitchen towels for that because my pan is hot. All right, this is what your cake should look like. So now we are going to carefully peel back our parchment paper. All right, this is what your cake should look like. So now starting with this end, we are going to roll this, but we are not going to roll the towel in it like you do some of the roll cakes. All right, now we are just going to go ahead and let this cool completely before we see what taste tester thinks. Mine did split in some places, but I'm really not concerned with that. It looks and smells amazing. All right, after my cake cooled off, I just put it in the refrigerator because I just thought it would taste better chilled, but since the cheesecake frosting in the middle. And let me tell you, it is delicious. I mean, just look at that in there and you can see the banana chunks. So you could serve it like this, or if you wanted to heat it up, you could do that, or you could put some whipped cream on it. That's what I'm going to do for taste tester, and we'll see what he thinks. All right, I got taste tester a nice piece here with a huge dollop of whipped cream. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, no, for Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.